Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for every household: the clothes dryer lint vent trap cleaner brush. If you're tired of lint buildup causing fire hazards and inefficiencies in your dryer, this product is your solution. This lint cleaner brush isn't just any ordinary cleaning tool. It's engineered to prevent fire hazards by effectively removing lint buildup. Let's delve into why it's garnered so much attention and why it's Amazon's choice for lint removers. Crafted with a sturdy wood handle and a durable brush head, this tool is built to last. Its 26.5-inch length ensures you can reach deep into your dryer vents without hassle. Plus, it's designed not just for dryers but also for furniture and appliance cleaning, making it versatile and handy. By reducing lint buildup, it significantly decreases drying time and energy consumption, saving you money in the long run. More importantly, it minimizes the risk of dryer fires, a common yet preventable hazard in many homes. Using this brush is straightforward. Simply insert it into your dryer vent and gently rotate to trap and remove lint. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, ensuring a thorough cleaning every time. Compared to other lint removers, this brush stands out for its combination of affordability, durability, and effectiveness. While others may require frequent replacement or lack the reach needed for thorough cleaning, this brush excels in both aspects. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution to keep your dryer vents clean and safe, the clothes dryer lint vent trap cleaner brush is a must-have. Whether you're a homeowner or renting, it's an investment in safety and efficiency that pays off. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching.